Hello everyone, today we will compare BioSites and Linktree, two popular link in bio tools. So BioSites offers a customizable, visually appealing way to manage all your important links in one place, while Linktree is known for its simplicity and ease of use, allowing you to create a single link that houses all your social media profiles. In this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for BioSites and Linktree, you can use my affiliate links in the description below, where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. And as you can see, when it comes to ease of use, so BioSite has a user-friendly but may require more setup for advanced features, while Linktree has extremely user-friendly and quick to set up. So yes, so when it comes to customization, BioSite has highly customizable themes, fonts, colors, while Linktree is limited customization in free version, but we will have more option in paid plans. When it comes to integration, BioSite has a wide range of integration with social media, e-commerce, and other platforms. Same thing with Linktree, but fewer than BioSite. And when it comes to analytics, BioSites has advanced analytics with detailed reporting, while Linktree has basic analytics in free version, but you have more in premium plans. When it comes to mobile optimization, BioSite has fully optimized for mobile device, same thing with Linktree. And when it comes to link management, BioSite has advanced link management, including scheduling and prioritizing, while Linktree has basic link management with more option in premium plans. When it comes to SEO features, BioSite has enhanced SEO features for better discoverability, while Linktree has basic SEO features, but you will improve in premium plans. When it comes to user base, BioSite has growing user base popular among businesses and influencer, while Linktree has already have large user base widely recognized and used across various industries. And when it comes to unique features, so BioSite has custom domains, A and B testing, and personalized experience, while Linktree has link prioritization, email, sign-up forms, integration with payment platforms, PayPal, etc., etc. Yes, that's it. So now let's go to the pricing comparison. So when it comes to pre-plan, BioSite offers them pre-plan with basic features, limited customization. Same thing with Linktree, available basic features. So when it comes to basic plans, BioSites typically around $9 per month, may vary depending on provider, while Linktree offers them for $6 per month. When it comes to Pro Plan, BioSite offers them around $15 to $20 per month, while Linktree offers them to $12 per month. And when it comes to Premium Plan, BioSite offers them around $30 to $40 per month, while Linktree offers them only $24 per month. And lastly, when it comes to Enterprise Plan, both platforms has customizable pricing. And when it comes to custom domains, both platforms offer them in their high tier plans. So yes, that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to the next category, which is the customer and support. So when it comes to support feature, email support, BioSite is available for all plans. So same thing with Linktree. So when it comes to live chat support, BioSite offers them in higher tier plans. Same thing with Linktree, available in pro and premium plans. When it comes to phone support, so BioSite typically available in enterprise plans, while Linktree not commonly offered. And lastly, help center and knowledge base. BioSite has comprehensive with article, facts, and guides. Same thing with Linktree. And for the next one, which is community forums, BioSite is available with some providers. Same thing with Linktree. When it comes to priority support, BioSite offers them in premium and enterprise plans, while Linktree offers them in premium plan. When it comes to onboarding assistance, same thing. So both available in higher tier plans. And lastly, for response times, BioSite has fast response time for premium and enterprise plans. Same thing with Linktree again. So now we are done with customer support, pricing, and key features comparison. So now we're going with the pros and cons. And let's start by discussing the BioSite pros and cons. And when it comes to BioSite pros, they offer extensive customization options, including theme, fonts, colors, and layout designs. They provide detailed analytics and reporting features to track visitor behavior and link performance. They support numerous integration with social media, e-commerce platforms, email marketing tools, and more. They often allow us to use the custom domains, enhancing brand identity and professionalism. And some providers offers A and B testing features to optimize link performance. And yes, that's it. So when it comes to cons, BioSites has more advanced features and can make up the setup process more complex compared to simpler tools. And they generally more expensive, especially for higher tier plans with advanced features. The quantity and features can vary significantly depending on the specific provider chosen. So yes, that's it for the BioSite pros and cons. So now when it comes to Linktree pros and cons, they have extremely user-friendly and quick and simple setup process. They have robust free plan that includes essential features suitable for many users. They are highly popular and widely used across various industries, making it a trusted option. They offers a clear and straightforward pricing with distinct features for each plan. They integrates well with popular social media platform and basic third-party services. And lastly, they have clean, straightforward user interface that is easy to navigate. So yes, that's it. So when it comes to cons, so Linktree has fewer customization options, especially in the pre-plan. More customization available in paid plans. So they have basic analytics in the pre-plan. More detailed insight are only available in higher tier plans. The custom domains are only available in pro and premium plans. The branding is present in the pre-plan, which can detract from a professional appearance. And lastly, they doesn't offer some advanced features like A and B testing, which may be available in more comprehensive BioLink tools. And yes, that's it for the pros and cons. So now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose BioSite. So BioSite is preferable for businesses that need advanced customization to align with brand identity, someone who desire a highly customized and branded look, someone who need advanced tools and customization options for managing multiple clients, someone who wants a integrate various third-party services for seamless user experience, and lastly, someone who benefit from custom domains and professional appearance to enhance client branding. So if you have all of this quality, BioSite is perfect for you. So now let's go directly to people we should choose Linktree. So Linktree is preferable for someone who seeks a simple user-friendly tool with quick setup, someone who needs a cost-effective solution to manage multiple links, someone who wants a widely recognized and trusted tool, someone who are looking for a beginner-friendly option to manage multiple links. So if you have all of these qualities, Linktree is the best platform for you. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms, BioSites and Linktree, offers unique advantage tailored to different needs. So if you're a business or professional influencer looking for advanced customization, detailed analytics, and extensive integration, BioSites may be the ideal choice for you. And on the other hand, if you prefer a simple, user-friendly tool with a robust free plan and essential features, Linktree is an excellent option. So choosing between the two will ultimately depend on your personal needs, social media accounts, and target market. So you need to evaluate your priorities and select the best platform that aligns best with your goals. And yes, that's it. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this helps you to choose the correct option. And also that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.